Let's do an oil change on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. Let's get the tools. This takes a 14 millimeter. Let's get it cracked loose. Alright, it's about done dripping. Let's put the drain plug back in and snug it down. Let's get the oil filter off. I put a water bottle right there to catch the oil. Alright, I got it cracked loose with my tool. Now let's spin it off. Some oil. Let's make sure I get that water bottle. Got it filled up. It takes about 5.5 quarts. Now we can put the cap back on. And the dipstick in. Now let's start it. Now we can check it. And it's good. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.